How to use Discord for gaming. Discord was originally designed for gamers, so it's packed with features to enhance your gaming experience. When you open Discord, you can join game-focused servers or create your own to chat or coordinate with friends. Use voice channels for real-time communication during gameplay and text channels for sharing strategies, clips, or memes. You can even share your screen or stream your gameplay live to others in the voice channel. Discord also shows your current game status next to your username automatically, so friends know what you are playing. Use server roles to organize teams or clans and control access to channels during tournaments or events. Are you a gamer? Let me know your favorite game to play with friends on Discord in the comments below. Discord offers a fantastic all-in-one platform to chat, share, and play with your gaming community. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.